Hi students, once again welcome back to computer class. So in our last class we started chapter number 5, visual effects in a presentation, and in this chapter we studied about how to view a presentation, that is different methods that we use for viewing a presentation. And also we studied how to apply animation to a presentation in order to make it attractive to the users. Okay, so these were the things that we studied in our last class. And next let us study how to apply transition in presentation. Okay, that is, in Microsoft PowerPoint you can specify how to move from one slide to the next during a slideshow. Okay, what are the things that you have to do while you are moving from one slide to next during a slideshow? And this is what you mean by transition, or this effects is known as transition. Okay, and by using transition you can control the speed of how to move from one slide to another, and you can also add sound, videos, etc. to the presentation. Like animation, a transition will make a presentation more attractive and interesting to the audience. Okay. Now let us see the steps of how to apply a transition to a slide. First step is you have to select the slide to which you want to apply the transition. Okay. And second step is you have to click on the transition tab. See in this picture, number 1 has been pointed over to the transition tab. And once you click on the transition tab, the many options of transitions will appear. And if you want to see the complete list of the transition, you have to click on the arrow that is being provided over the side. The drop down arrow which is being provided over the side, you have to click on that particular arrow in order to see the complete list of transition. Okay, and once you click on that drop down arrow, you will be able to see the group of transition effect, that is the complete list of transition effects. And see in this picture what you see is the complete list of transition effects. Okay, and transition effects, they are being divided into 3 groups. First one is subtle, second one is exciting, and third one is dynamic content. Okay, this is the complete list of transition effect. You can click on any one of the option and you will be able to see a preview of the selected transition effect, like what you saw in the animation. Okay, so these are the steps of applying a transition to a slide. And now next let us see how to add sound to a transition. Okay, now we can see the steps of how to add sound to a transition. Step number 1 is you have to select the slide to which the sound is to be added. Okay, and second step is you have to click on the sound to drop down arrow. See in this picture there is an option given for sound and there is a drop down arrow also provided. You have to click on that sound drop down arrow. Then a list of sound will appear. Okay, see in this picture a list of sounds are being listed. You can click on any one of the option. And if you want to move to the next slide after clicking the mouse, for this to happen you have to click on the on mouse click checkbox. See in this picture there is an option given for on mouse click. You have to click on that particular option in order to move to the next slide after clicking the mouse. Okay, and at the bottom of that particular option on mouse click there is another option given, that is after option. That is, you want to move to the next slide automatically after a certain period of time. Okay, for that you have to enter the time limit inside that after option box. Okay, if you are entering the time limit inside that after option box, you will be able to automatically move to the next slide. Okay, so these are some of the effects, sound effects that you can provide to a slide. Okay, next let us study how to add media clips to a presentation. That is, inside Microsoft PowerPoint you can add sound and video clips to a slide. Okay, and this sound and video clips together, they are known as media clip. Okay, that is in Microsoft PowerPoint you can add sound and video clips to a slide, and together of the sound clip and video clip is known as media clips. Okay, that is you are inserting a media clip to a presentation in order to create a impression on the audience. Okay, and you can insert media clip which are being downloaded from the internet, or you can take them from CDs or from the files which are saved in your computer, or from sound or video files that you have recorded. That is, you can use many options in order for inserting media clips into a presentation. Okay, so first let us study the steps of adding audio clips to a slide. Okay, first step is click on the slide where you want to add the audio. Okay, and second step is you have to click on the insert tab, and over the insert tab there is a group known as media group. Okay, and under the media group there are two options. One option is for video and another one is for audio. We have to click on the audio drop down arrow from the media group. Okay, once you click on the audio drop down arrow, many options will be provided. Okay, and you have to click on the clip art audio. You have to click on the clip art audio option from that particular menu. And once you click on the clip art audio option from that particular menu, the clip art task pan will appear. What you see in this picture is the clip art task pan. Okay, and see inside this many options are being provided with many pictures are there and many audio clips are there, and you can even search for even a audio clip. Okay, so you have to double click the audio clip which is to be inserted from this particular list. And once the audio clip is been inserted, an audio icon will appear on the slide. See, what you see in this picture is the audio icon that has been appearing on the slide. You can click and drag it to any location over the slide. Okay, and to play the sound during a presentation you have to click on that particular icon. So this is how you can add an audio clip to a slide. First step is you have to click on the slide to which you want to add the audio, and second step is you click on the insert tab. Okay, and under the media group there are two options provided. First option is for video and second one is for audio. Since now we want to add a audio clip, you have to click on the audio drop down arrow from that media group. Okay, and fourth step is you have to click on the clip art audio option from the menu. Once you click on the clip art audio option, the clip art task pan will appear, and from that you have to select the audio clip that you want to be inserted. Okay, you have to double click the audio clip which is to be inserted from the list. And when the audio clip is been inserted, an audio icon will appear like what you see in this picture. Okay, you can click and drag it to any location over the slide, and during the presentation to play the sound you have to click on this particular icon. So this is how you can add an audio clip to a slide. Next, let us see how to add video clips to a slide. Okay, first step is you have to click on the slide to which you want to add the video. The second step is you have to click on the insert tab. See, under the insert tab there is an group known as media group. And there are two options under media group. One is for video and another one is for audio. Since now we want to add a video, you have to click on the video drop down arrow. See, three options are being provided from that drop down arrow: video from file, video from website, and clip art video. Here you have to click on the clip art video option from that drop down menu. Okay, once you click on the clip art video option, the clip art task pan will appear like what you saw in the audio clip. Okay, and see, many options are being provided, like there are videos, there are audios. Okay, you can select any one of the video from this clip art task pan. We have to double click on the particular video clip to be inserted from this. Okay, a video icon will appear on the slide and you can click and drag it to any locations on the slide. And in order to play the video, you have to click on that particular icon. This is similar to the steps that we saw in audio clip. Okay. So this is how you can add media clip to a slide. That is, under media clip there are two sections. One is for sound and another one is for video. You can add both audio and video clips to a slide, and we have seen the steps of how to add audio and video clips to the slide. Both of them, they follow the same steps. Okay. So with this I am ending my section today. And today we saw how to apply transition to a slide and also how to apply media clips to a slide. Thank you.